Nona here. If you're new here, I'm Nona, and welcome to my channel, my home, and my craft table. Today I'm going to do a craft, very easy, for Thanksgiving. Now, when we were living in the hotel for almost 5 weeks after Hurricane Sally, I could not get to my crafts that I had put away for fall and Thanksgiving, but now that we're home, I'd actually forgotten that I had this craft. So I had purchased it's the word gather, and it was made like this. I don't know what it's called. It's like pressed wood. This says Mary. I got this for Christmas, but it looked just like this, and it had a hanging string on it, which I cut off. It's just stapled to the back. And then I had gotten some of these, which are just the cardboard hangers, or it said trick or treat on it. So I got those to use for crafts for fall. And so I took this, and if you're going to use one of these, I highly recommend that you spray paint it, because this really soaks up or absorbs the paint a lot. So I spray painted it with my Rust-Oleum chalk paint. Now, if you don't have this, I recommend going to Walmart and buying a can of 97-cent white spray paint, because it is very difficult to get into all the nooks and crannies of the word, okay? I even had to go back with a brush and get in some of the nooks and crannies of the top, because it was just impossible to get everything. And I didn't even worry about the back, because I got this to put on the windowsill in my kitchen. And then I took this one just like this, and I painted it white, and then I went over it with orange, okay? And then I took 2 of these tumbling Jenga blocks that you can get at Dollar Tree. You get a whole box of them. And if you shop at Dollar Tree, if the stalker is a crafter, you're gonna find a box of these in crafting. But if the stalker at Dollar Tree is not a crafter, you'll find them in toys, all right? So I took 2 of these and glued them together and painted them orange, and then took 2 more and hot glued them onto the top so that my words would sit on there. Now, I'm not going to glue it because it sits fine just like that. So I painted that all orange, and then after I painted this white, I took some orange acrylic paint that I got at Dollar Tree, and I just kind of dry brushed very lightly over the letters. I'm just going to show you how I did it. And I did it like I was writing, okay? Just like I just wanted a swirl, like I was writing, and this brush is losing its bristles. I didn't want it to be real orange, I just wanted a hint of orange, like that. I tried to make it go with the letters. Boy, I don't know what I have there, but there's something there that's messing up my paint, which happens. I don't know whether that's hot glue or what. I'm trying to scrape it off. And that kind of thing happens when you're crafting. Okay. So I'm just going like I'm writing. So it all goes with the letters. And then when I did that, it looked a little flat. So we all know I'm not a, oh, there's another brush. I'm gonna have to throw this brush away. It looked a little flat. So then I decided I needed to do a little something else. I'm gonna take a piece of paper towel because my orange got a little dark there. So I'm just gonna, you know, and things don't have to be perfect. This is art. So then it looked a little flat. So I took this Acrylic Premium Acrylic Paint, and this is in red oxide, and this one is in deep brown. And I didn't really know which color I wanted to use, so I mixed them. I took a little bit of each color. And I mixed them. And I just decided I was going to go along the edges and just kind of feather it like that, just to give it some dimension, okay? I just feathered it. Now I know that's not perfect, but it's not supposed to be, because this is art, and there are no mistakes in art, only opportunities. So I just went around the edges and feathered it with a hard brush. It's a hard bristle brush, okay? Just went around and feathered it like that, so it gave it a little bit of dimension. See what I'm talking about? Just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna go back and fix that up because I did it kind of quickly, but that's okay. You got the idea, and that's all that you need to do. All right, so then I took this, and I took some of my leftover leaves, and I had a flower, and just a bunch of leaves that I had left over from my fall picks and decorations, and I hot glued them along the front because, to be honest with you, the orange didn't cover very well on that, so I wanted some decoration down there. So I just hot glued those on, and now I'm gonna hot glue some on the end here just to cover up where you can see it didn't, the orange paint didn't cover very good, but I'm not gonna worry about it because I'm just gonna hot glue. Where's my little finger thing so I don't burn myself? You know, I see people, crafters all the time, using hot glue, and they don't use these little finger covers, and they just take their fingers and press down. I don't know how they do it because I burn myself. That hot glue is hot, folks. That one looks a little scuzzy. Let's try this one. This one's okay. And I put a sunflower on that one end, and I'm going to put this one on this end, just kind of to cover up that end. And then those blocks are there to help this set up. I'm not going to glue it down because I may want to use this block thing another time. I can spray it red and use it for another word for Christmas. Okay, so I'm going to set it, come on, sit up there. And then I'm going to put this pumpkin right there, and that will go on my kitchen windowsill. See, isn't that cute? Very easy, very inexpensive. I'd say the whole thing cost me, this was $1, the block was $1. I had the tumble Jenga blocks left over, and I had these were left over. This was $1, so the whole thing probably cost me $2.50. $3.50, because these were all left over. Use what you have, for heaven's sakes. But anyway, that is my fall decoration for my kitchen windowsill. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, be sure and give me a thumbs up. And you know, I have a giveaway going. And today is Thursday, and it is the last day to enter the giveaway. So, I will put the link down below to Christmas wreaths and the giveaway that you have to go to enter, because there's a video up. It's called Christmas Wreaths and Giveaway, and that's the video you have to go to enter the giveaway. And this is what I'm giving away. It's the Sassy and Chick electronic nail kit. It comes with the tool that you put one of the three little tools in the top, and the pink one is to push your cuticles back. The straight barrel one is a buffing tool, and the tapered tool one is a shaping tool. You need a AA battery. There's a little screw at the end that you twist. I used a steak knife because it's really tiny. And there's a compartment at the back that you slip in the AA battery, close it up, screw it tight, and it's a great tool. I have one. I've used it a number of times, and it works great. So if you want to enter to win this Sassy and Chick electronic nail kit, you need to go to the link down below to the video that's called Christmas Wreaths and Giveaway. And you only have to enter by making a comment on that video that you have subscribed and shared. Now, to subscribe, if you've already done so, then you just need to write subscribed. And to share, there's a share word. Click on that. You can share it through Facebook or through email. If you click on email, it even gives you the link, and all you have to do is click on the word copy, go to your email, and put in your email addresses that you want to share the video with, and then in the email body, click paste, and the link will be right there for you, and it will show up on mine that you have shared the video in your email. It won't tell me what emails, or that you have shared it on your Facebook. It won't tell me your Facebook page. It will just tell me that you've shared it. And then that's all you have to do. You have to be 18 years of age or older, or have your parents' permission. You have to live in the continental United States, and you have to do this by tonight at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then on Saturday, I will announce the winner and send out the electronic nail kit to you. It's very, very simple. So please, if you've already subscribed, just put in the comments subscribed and then share it and shared. I've even put subscribed and shared in the description box. All you have to do is copy and paste that into the comments section. It's very, very easy. I'm really trying hard to grow my channel, and I'd really appreciate it if you join me in this giveaway so that I can grow my channel. That's it for today. I really hope you will join in this giveaway, and I thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again in the near future, and remember, be kind to everyone, because there's a lot of crazies out there.